Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Shireen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to study the chapter circulation. Circulation का चैप्टर का हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे वो है लेयर्स ऑफ हार्ट. हार्ट की जो वॉल होती है वो कितनी लेयर्स से मिलकर बनती है. नाउ द ह्यूमन हार्ट. द ह्यूमन हार्ट हैज़ अ समवॉट कॉनिकल फॉर्म. ह्यूमन हार्ट की जो फॉर्म होती है, जो शेप होती है वो कॉनिकल होती है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ ट्रायंगुलर और कोन शेप्ड एंड इज़ इनक्लोज्ड बाय पेरिकार्डियम. और इसे इनक्लोज करता है, इट मीन्स इसे कवर करता है पेरिकार्डियम. पेरिकार्डियम इज़ अ मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द हार्ट. इट इज़ नॉट द लेयर बट द मेम्ब्रेन दैट इनक्लोजेस और कवर्स द हार्ट. It is located between lungs with 1/3 situated on the right and 2/3 on the left of the midline. जो हार्ट होता है वो midline के 2/3 लेफ्ट पर और 1/3 राइट पर लाई करता है. And is present just behind the sternum. Sternum, what is a sternum? Sternum is a half T-shaped vertical bone that is present centrally in the chest. ये half T-shaped bone होती है. For example, if this is the chest cavity, then it is present in the center and is half T-shaped. So heart is present just behind the sternum. Now the layers of heart wall. The heart wall consists of 3 layers. Heart की जो wall होती है वो 3 layers पर consist करती है. What are these 3 layers? These 3 layers are epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Enclosed in the pericardium. Pericardium is the membrane. It's not the layer of heart. It's the membrane that covers the heart wall, and the wall of heart is made up of 3 layers. And these layers are from outward to inward epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. The pericardium is the thick covering that encloses the heart and the roots of the major heart vessels. Now, कौन कौन से स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं जिन्हें पेरिकार्डियम कवर कर रहा है? द पेरिकार्डियम नॉट ओनली कवर्स द हार्ट but it also covers the roots of the major heart vessels. What are the major heart vessels? The major heart vessels are aorta, superior and inferior vena cava, consisting of an outer fibrous layer and an inner double serous membrane. Now, दो लेयर्स से मिलकर जो है पेरिकार्डियम बनती है. The membrane that covers the heart itself is made up of 2 layers. पेरिकार्डियम 2 लेयर्स से बनती है. सही. Now what are these 2 layers? Consisting of an outer fibrous layer. जो पेरिकार्डियम की 2 लेयर्स हैं उनमें से जो सबसे बाहर वाली है वो फाइब्रस लेयर है, विच वी कॉल एज द फाइब्रस पेरिकार्डियम, जिसे हम फाइब्रस पेरिकार्डियम बोलेंगे. एंड एन इनर डबल सीरस मेम्ब्रेन लेयर, द सीरस पेरिकार्डियम. और जो इनर डबल सीरस मेम्ब्रेन है उसे हम सीरस पेरिकार्डियम बोलेंगे. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पेरिकार्डियम. पेरिकार्डियम का बेसिकली स्ट्रक्चर है किस तरह का. नाउ पेरिकार्डियम इटसेल्फ इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 layers. द आउटर वन is the fibrous pericardium and the inner one is the serous pericardium. Now the serous pericardium itself is made up of 2 layers. What are these 2 layers? The fibrous pericardium consists of thick fibrous connective tissue and it defines the border of the middle mediastinum. जो fibrous pericardium है, as its name indicate, it is made up of fibrous connective tissue. On the other hand, the serous pericardium is physically in a much closer relation with the heart. और जो serous pericardium है वो heart से close relation में है as compared to fibrous pericardium. Serous pericardium, जो serous pericardium है, it is a double membrane structure. Serous pericardium भी 2 layers से मिलकर बनती है. And what are these 2 layers? One of the layer of serous pericardium is visceral and the other layer is parietal. Visceral serous pericardium and parietal serous pericardium. These 2 layers make up the serous pericardium. On the other hand, serous pericardium is physically in a much closer relation with the heart. Between its two layers is a small amount of serous pericardial fluid that lubricates the layers and prevents friction during heart contraction. Now, in between the two layers of the serous pericardium is present the serous pericardial fluid. इन दोनों layers के बीच में serous pericardial fluid होता है. ये दोनों layers के बीच में हमारे पास serous pericardial fluid होता है. Now, what is the function of the serous pericardial fluid? It performs the function of lubrication. इस सीरस पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड का काम है लब्रिकेशन प्रोवाइड करना. लब्रिकेशन मीन्स दो सरफेसेस को आपस में रगड़ खाने से रोकना, फ्रिक्शन प्रिवेंट करना. इट मीन्स लब्रिकेट करना. एंड दिस lubrication function is provided by the serous pericardial fluid that is secreted by the two layers of the serous pericardium. Now the layers of the heart, there are total 3 layers that make up the entire wall of the heart. Heart की जो wall है वो 3 layers मिलकर बनाती हैं. And what are they? The epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. ये 3 layers हैं जो heart की wall को बनाती हैं. Now epicardium, it is the outer layer of the wall of heart. ये outer layer है heart wall की and is formed by the visceral layer of the serous pericardium. इसका क्या मतलब है? It is formed by the visceral layer of serous pericardium. Let's go to the pericardium again. Pericardium is the membrane that covers the heart. It is not the layer of heart. ये heart wall की layer नहीं है बल्कि ये एक membrane है जो heart को cover करती है. Pericardium itself is made up of 2 layers. Pericardium 2 layers से मिलकर बन रही है. One of them is the fibrous pericardium and the other is the serous pericardium. Now fibrous pericardium is the outermost layer. सबसे बाहर के जो heart की एक membrane की layer है वो fibrous pericardium है. And serous pericardium itself is a double membrane structure. serous pericardium एक double membrane structure है. That is, it itself is made up of 2 layers or 2 membranes. One of them is the visceral serous pericardium and the other is parietal serous pericardium. Now this visceral serous pericardium is actually the epicardium. यही epicardium है या फिर यही epicardium form करती है. Read it again. Epicardium, the outer layer of the wall of heart and is formed by the visceral layer of the serous pericardium. So epicardium is actually the visceral layer of serous pericardium or is formed by the visceral layer of serous pericardium. We can better understand it by the diagram given here. This is the magnified view of the wall of heart. Heart wall का एक magnified view दिया हुआ है. This innermost layer is the endocardium. Endocardium will face the blood because it is the innermost layer. अब endocardium के ऊपर हमारे पास myocardium है which is the middle layer. अब myocardium के बाहर हमारे पास जो layer है we are calling it visceral pericardium or epicardium. So epicardium is formed by the visceral pericardium or the visceral layer of serous pericardium. It is the same thing. Now in between visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium we are having a cavity. एक space है. This space is the pericardial cavity which is given here. ये pericardial cavity है. इस cavity में हमारे पास pericardial fluid होता है और इस fluid का काम lubrication provide करना है. This is the parietal pericardium, this is the visceral pericardium and both of these layers are actually the serous pericardium because they are secreting the serous fluid. Now the outermost is the fibrous pericardium which is the outer layer of the pericardium. Now the myocardium. Myocardium is the muscular middle layer of the wall of heart. ये heart की middle layer है and has excitable tissue and conducting system. और myocardium में हमारे पास क्या मिलेगा हमें excitable tissues और conducting system. excitable tissues और conducting system कौन सा system है? ये वो system है जो उन cells पर consist करता है जो heart की beat के लिए rhythm generate करता है जिसे हम आगे पढ़ेंगे मज़ीद. Now the endocardium. Endocardium is the innermost layer. It is a middle concentric layer, a subendocardial layer. It is the innermost layer that will face the blood, जो blood को face करेगी, and is made up of endothelial cells.